Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie with pumpkin puree. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, especially that crucial 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. Next, prepare your 9-inch pie crust. A good foundation is key for a delicious pie. Finally, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial high temperature helps set the crust perfectly before reducing the heat for the filling. Now, let's create that rich, creamy filling. In a large bowl, combine your pumpkin puree, 2 large eggs, and both granulated and brown sugars. Next, add your essential spices: 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and a pinch of ground cloves. Finally, slowly whisk in 1 1/2 cups of evaporated milk or heavy cream until the mixture is perfectly smooth and well combined. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And speaking of delicious things, after you've enjoyed your amazing pumpkin pie, you'll want to store any leftovers properly. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your pie fresh or any other tasty treats. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your filling ready, carefully pour the pumpkin mixture into your prepared 9-inch pie crust. Place it in your preheated oven and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for 40 to 50 minutes, or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Allow the pie to cool completely on a wire rack for at least 2 hours before slicing and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.